Long-lasting talent development needs the right mix. I'm Jordi Robert Reeves, founder of Connecting Perspectives. We enable the right collaboration within companies. So the question we asked was how to pace correctly talent development. We've got Ethan and Jason who are in line in their thoughts. Depends on whether you need a change of mentality or a change in behavior. I spoke last week at the European HR Summit and discussed this topic with many of the attendees, and everyone seems to be in line. You need the right mix. You need a hard storm, an activity very energizing to open the eyes. However, if you only do this, nothing will happen the next day. Then you need the drizzle, these ongoing activities, these reminders that will keep the change going, the talent development effective. However, if you don't do this without the previous storm, they will not be ready for change often. I wish that you find the right mix for your company between big storms or ongoing drizzles for your talent development. Keep connecting new perspectives.